A very simple and reliable way for anyone to make more money and build wealth. As you climb higher on each ladder that I mentioned, your potential earning will increase. Making money is a skill. It's like learning a new language, playing the piano, or cooking that you can get better at over time. I wouldn't expect to be able to make the most amazing meals for the first time cooking like Gordon Ramsay. The same applies for making money. That is why most people fail. If you can understand this graphic right here, it will open so many doors for you. Nathan Barry's 4 letters of wealth creation. Step-by-step roadmap to building wealth. Number 1, time for money. 2, service business. Number 3, productize your services. Number 4, selling offers. Psst, not sure who Nathan Barry is? He went from working at Wendy's
for her birthday dinner.
Shift from being a creator to being a
this year, and we'll see you next year.
To owning a SaaS company called ConvertKit, earning over $1 million per month. I know, right? The higher you climb, the more you earn, the more skills and experience you need to acquire. So let's talk about ladder 1, time for money. It's all about trading time for money is what most people earn their living. It might start with an hourly job working for Starbucks, then transition into a salary working for a company that you do not own. To do that, you need to specialize in a certain skills like marketing, sales, design, nursing, writing, operations, legal, or etc. Every job in this category requires 3 base skills. 1, show up regularly. Number 2, reliability. 3, ability to learn and develop new skills. Wait, Selena, I'm ready for the next jump for running my own business. This stage right here that requires a whole new set of skills. And that is ladder 2, service-based business. The skills in this level you need, like setting up a company like a LLC in the US, finding your best fit clients, pricing for profit, and pitching your services, establishing your online presence. LinkedIn is, of course, the easiest. Number 5, managing a team to do the work and business finance. You still need to maintain the base skills that we just mentioned in ladder 1. The money you make at this stage is capped by the time of your team members. What about the next level? Yeah, I know you're ready for it. So, ladder 3, productize your services. At this stage, it requires you to learn how to make a sales without really talking to your clients by offering a productized service. What does it really mean by that is taking a service, it could be bundled as a set of offering at a fixed price. Don't worry, let me give you some real life examples so it's easy for you to really understand how to productize your services. For example, your coach, you're offering a one-on-one strategy call at a $500 per hour. You can charging it instead for $5,000 for 3 months coaching package. With a productized service, you can reduce the manual work to really market and sell your product. You can gain the real serious leverage through disconnecting your own time from the sales and the revenue. Some of the skills that you need is to learn how to create a highly converting sales page that can really make a sales without talking to a client. Number 2, build an automated payment collection process like from sales page to your Stripe to your LMS access. Number 3, you can streamline your sales system to deliver quality client service. Just like inside my LinkedIn Business Academy that I teach right there. This is so efficient, and now you're ready for the final level. Next level. Hey you, yes, I'm talking to you. I'm interrupting my own episode for this. Looking to supercharge your business growth rate using LinkedIn? Here are the 3 ways we can help. Number 1, you can get our signature LinkedIn for Business program right down in the description box below. Or, not convinced? Join our free community, a home for entrepreneurs who wants to create follow-worthy personal brand and convert connection into clients using LinkedIn. Or, book a call with me and my team to make LinkedIn work for you and your business. All the links in the description box below, and let us be your biggest LinkedIn cheerleaders. Thank you so very much. And as for now, let's head back to the channel. Level 4, selling offers. Now that you have worked with clients and have amazing client results, this ladder really requires you to learn how you can deliver your entire offer suite with reduced manual work. For example, a video training courses on how to use LinkedIn for a small business, that is one way of doing it. A monthly subscription for your coaching services, an ebook on creating a highly converting LinkedIn sales page. This, again, a new set of skills that you need to really sell offers at scale. For example, you need content marketing skills, lead generation, both organic and paid, team management, client fulfillment and support, building an automated system and scaling, and data analytics, and so much more. This is the step-by-step roadmap to building wealth by Nathan Barry. A very simple and reliable way for anyone to make more money and build wealth. As you climb higher on each ladder that I mentioned earlier, your potential earning will increase. So moving from the left to the right to more advanced ladders. But the difficulty really increased with each move as you needed to really learn and acquire new skills to overcome those new challenges. The funny thing that I noticed in the online business world, I see most people that start making more money, they would decide to spend more on buying new cars, buying an expensive wardrobe. Instead, I want you to be smart, my friend. Consider reinvesting that money to build wealth for yourself. Remember this, wealth creation over lifestyle inflation. Here are the 6 questions to really help you to get started. Number 1, which ladder am I on right now? Number 2, which ladder is my offer idea on? Number 3, what new skills do I need to close the gap? Number 4, how long will it take to acquire those skills to get initial result? Number 5, how can I create the runway without jeopardizing my financial security? And last but not the least, who has done it successfully before and could be my mentor to get there faster with fewer mistakes? Insider, I appreciate you so much for tuning in this week. If something that I shared today really helped you to get one step closer to being the CEO you desire to be, then I've done my job with my content today. Let's make LinkedIn work for you and your business, my friend. And I cannot wait to see you again next week, same time. Bye for now.